Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Preet and welcome to my channel. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, and today I have created a look which is almost very similar to the Indian flag. Like, I have picked all those 4 colors from our Indian flag and I've tried to create this very beautiful and very easy look. So it just I had this, like, a flag inspired me and I just wanted to create this look, so that's why I created this makeup tutorial. So I hope you will guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope you guys will like this eye look. So yeah, let's just get started. And all those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. So let's begin. So I would be doing a very simple makeup, so I won't be using too much of products. So let's begin. So at the beginning I am using Elemis pads to clean my face, just in case there is any dirt stick on my face. It can be removed by using this facial pads. And then next I'm going to be using a Farsili facial oil, which is a beautiful oil which will give you a natural glow. I love this product, it's my all-time favorite. Third product which I'm going to be using is a L'Oreal moisturizer. And then let's move on to our foundation. So today I'm not using any foundation, I'm using a BB cream from Purely's and I would be applying it on my face. It's a very lightweight BB cream which you can use it for your day-to-day purpose. It's very beginner friendly and it is easily blendable. You can also apply it or blend it with your fingers, but I'm using a beauty blender to blend it out. And for the concealer, I am taking Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, applying it on under my eyes, also applying it on my eyelids to prepare my eyes, because I would be doing an eye look laterally. So once I've applied the concealer, I'm going to be using a beauty blender to blend the concealer. Once I've evenly blended the concealer, I'm going to be using a Fit Me compact powder, and then using a small powder brush I will be applying it on the areas where I've just applied the concealer. Eyebrows, I'm using Minted Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown, I guess. So that's a very similar shade to my eyebrow color, like very close color. And this eyebrow pencil, again, beginner friendly, very easy to use. The tip is very nice, very pigmented. I love this eyebrow pencil. For my eyes, I am again using my all-time favorite James Charles eyeshadow palette. I'm using this saffron color, a very close color from the eyeshadow palette to the Indian flag, and I would be applying it all over my eyelid. And then using a big eyeshadow blending brush, I would be blending it out. And make sure you are just trying to deepen that color unless you don't get a perfect shade, like a perfect saffron color. So it should look something similar to this, and then keep blending it out and keep applying the color out until and unless you don't get a shade which you're actually looking for. Let's move on to our lower lash line area, and then I'm going to be using a green color from the same palette and I would be applying it on my lower lash line. Using a small eyeshadow brush, I would be blending it out, and then I am trying to look towards the outer corner. I'm trying to make it like a fish tail, so just the color is like going outward. So that's what I did. I did the same thing for my lower lash line as well, just trying to create that tail through that color. Once that is done, I am using NYX Cosmetics pencil in white color, and I am trying to outline the areas of the tail which I just created to add the white color to my eye look. Now I'm also using a deep blue pencil from NYX Cosmetics, and I would be applying it on my waterline to match the navy blue color of the flag. So wearing a lenses in the aquamarine shade from Swati Cosmetics. Once that is done, I would be curling my eyelashes, and then I would be using a Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced to apply the mascara on my eyelashes. For the fake eyelashes, I am using, I think, Honey lashes from Colourpop, and these are very natural false lashes. For the bronzer, I'm using Ace Beauty bronzer palette, and I would be using one of the shade very close to my skin tone, and I would be applying it on my cheekbones. Blush, I'm using Minted Cosmetic blush, and applying it on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and then for the highlighter, I never go out without the highlighter. So highlighter is my favorite part. I would be applying the highlighter from CoverGirl. I'm also applying the highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes and also on the brow bone. For the lipstick, I'm using a Super Stay lipstick from Maybelline. I just want to keep my lips very soft and very simple, so I'm just using a natural colors. And then I'm also using Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Icon. Once that is done, I am using Elastic Fix makeup fixer from Maybelline, spraying it all over my face. That's it, you guys. That's my final look. Super easy peasy. You don't have to use too much of products if you are trying to create the similar look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope you guys like the eye look which I created. It's very simple, very easy. And just in case you guys like this look, make sure you guys like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've also mentioned all the products which I've used on the description box, so make sure you check them out, and also follow me on all my social media handles which is mentioned down below. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Right now I'm just signing off from this video, but till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe, and wishing you a very happy Independence Day.